Children, today I am going to start the new topic of the chapter Physical Education and Sports for the Children with Special Needs. Today's topic is the types of disability. Today's topic is types of disability. There are three types of disability. First type of the disability is cognitive disability. First type of the disability is cognitive disability. What is the cognitive disability? Cognitive disability is a neurological disorder that creates hindrance or obstruction for an individual to store, process, and produce information. This disability can affect an individual's ability or capability to read, compute, speak, and write. So this type of disability can be also called the invisible disability. Because unlike other disabilities, generally the individual who have cognitive disability usually have following symptoms like memory disorder, hyperactivity, and dyslexia. Memory disorder affected person faces the difficulty in remembering something he or she heard, say, or saw some time ago. Other symptoms: hyperactivity. Hyperactivity disabled individual may have not attention for a long duration of the time in any task. The other symptoms is the dyslexia. Dyslexia affected individual have difficulty in writing, reading, speaking, etc. Okay. The second types of the disability is intellectual disability. Intellectual disability is a disability characterized by significant limitations both in intellectual functioning and in adaptive behavior, which covers a range of everyday social and practical skills. Indeed, this disability is related to the individual's thought process, learning, communicating, remembering information, problem solving, and judgment. It also includes psychiatric disability, which is related to the individual's social disability, such as behavior, emotions, and thinking. The intellectual disability starts before the age of 18 years. As a student, people with these disabilities are often intelligent, creative, productive. Means this disability is better for the students. Okay, the third type of the disability is known by physical disability. Physical disability is a limitation of an individual's physical functioning, mobility. It may be upper body or the lower body, or stamina. Other impairments such as respiratory disorder, circulatory disorder, nervous system, eye blindness, epilepsy, sleep disorder, which limit other parts of daily life, are also included in physical disability. Physical disability may be motor deficiency or a sensory impairment. Physical disability may be motor deficiency. Motor deficiency means learning process, or a sensory impairment. Motor deficiency is related to spinal cord, causing paralysis to some or all the limbs. It may also be related to brain damage, which may occur before birth, during birth, or after birth, or after a stroke. In simple words, we can tell physical disability is a type of disability that affects a person's mobility. Means physically disabled person faces the difficulty in the movement. That's all.